labor shortages and skill gaps, regulatory pressure for safety, traceability, and compliance. Every business is facing margin pressure. Every kilowatt, gallon, and minute matter.
Labor costs, tighter quality demands, and product customization are forcing plants to digitize for speed, reliability, and resilience.
Historically, a lot of the batch processes were done manually. By digitizing the different batch phases that you're running, and then even collecting data where you're able to overlay batch performance batch by batch, they're able to focus in on the best practices of all of the operators and get the optimal quality and productivity out of the system.
Our clients are usually pleasantly surprised by how efficiently we can create a digital twin for them on a limited amount of information. We had a recent new design for a process facility for grain production. As they did the digital twin, they realized that the tanks specified were approximately 1/3 too small. So had that gone into actual production, they would have never been able to meet the ROI that they were expecting.
One of the things that's really interesting about Salas O'Brien is we'll step in where your need is for any time along that process.
Salas O'Brien has the right experience to meet the clients where they are on that journey already and help them get to where they want to go.
You know, at Salas O'Brien, we have subject matter experts in digital twins. We help our clients move from legacy platforms to modern integrated platforms in a way that feels simple, low risk, intuitive, and tied directly to business outcomes.